Welcome back again in our channels and in schoolquiz.com. And actually, in the last video, actually we gave the explanation regarding the application of trigonometry. Means we gave some tips. Means regarding means what are the things we need to keep in our mind while solving the application of trigonometry. Before that, we gave the introduction regarding trigonometry and what are the things we need to keep in our mind when we are solving the questions on trigonometry. Okay, so those all things after those things means today we are trying to solve some questions and main point is what you get the solution easily anywhere, no problem in that. If you search any questions on the net in the googles, you'll get the solutions. But thing is what means, what things you need to keep in your mind, that is important for you. Okay, so while solving any questions, because see, when first or for the second video when we made, and we are thinking means how we can frame that what problems in the mathematical expression, that is very important. If you correctly frame the mathematical expressions, in mathematical expressions from the board, then definitely 100% means 100% you'll get the calculation, you get the result. But framing from that word to that mathematical expression is very important for us. Okay, but here in application of trigonometry, what is the main thing you have to keep in your mind means, from the questions, means you need to draw the picture. Once you draw on the pictures correctly means what you are going to do and what you are going to find from that things. So if you draw perfectly by in your copy or in your text notebook, then you get the answer easily. Suppose one question I kept here. See, in these questions what they mentioned, uh, but girl is there, she has a height of 1.5 meters, and that day what I said, if the height is negligible means if they not mention about the height in that question, we can ignore that height. But here they mention that that girl height is 1.5 meters. Okay, and the distance between where she stand and the distance that is a chimney actually, that is a chimney is there. So that distance between chimney and the girl is 28.5 meter per meter. Okay. So they gave the angle of elevation also. As we know that she is standing here and she is looking upward. She is looking upward means that is a horizontal line and this is a line of sight. So horizontal and line of sight, and she is looking upward parts. So that will be the angle of elevations. Okay, that is the angle of elevations. So once we frame these things, they are asking the height of the chimney. As we know, she's standing here, and that angle she is making from this point on his head, and the height of that girl is mentioned already 1.5 meters. So we can't ignore this height also, but we need total height. Actually, we need AB. AB is what? That is AB is the height of, that is the height of chimney. That is the height of chimney. But we need AB. But by seeing these questions, what we are observing, she's looking from this point, B points, and that ADE, the triangle that are forming, right angle triangle that are forming ADE. So if you apply the formula for, in trigonometry, you'll get the height A. Okay, A you can get height because DE base you have and angle you have means A you can get. But actually we need what? AB. So AB is nothing but that is AE plus EB. Okay, AE plus EB, that height, girl height also that must be included in the height of the chimney. So that AB point, so AE is nothing but 1.5 meter we have. Okay, that we want. But how we can find that AE? So see that equation, they already mentioned that right angle triangle from there. So if we see in triangle, uh, right angle triangle ADE, sorry, AED, because right angle is formed in the place of E. So AED, in triangle AED, we can do this is base we have and height we want. So this is the angle means this will be the perpendicular and this will be the base. Understand? So we know that perpendicular by base is nothing but tan theta. So tan 45 degree we have. Okay. Tan theta, theta is nothing but 45 degree. If write that formula, tan theta equals to P by B. Okay, so tan theta is nothing but how much? Theta is 45 degree, they mentioned there, and P we don't know, so we can keep X there. Okay, this can be, we can keep X, and B we have, B is nothing but 28.5 meter. Okay, so now from there we can find the X, which is equals to AE, and that is nothing but 1045 means what, 1 we can write. So X by 28.5 meter. So X equals to, we can get 28.5 meter. So now once we find this distance between this AE, that is 28.5 meter. So now we can easily find the height of that chimney, that is the AB. So AB is nothing but what we can do here. AB we can write here. A is 2.28.5 plus 1.5 meter means that is how much, 28. If we keep it at 29 and 1 meter, that is 30 meter. That is height of chimney. Okay, that is height of chimney. You can write, hence the height of the chimney we can write 30 meters. Okay, so these are the things we need to keep in our mind. So drawing that pictures from the any board, if you frame that things in one paper, means in a graph, means one pictures, writing a triangle or somewhere, whatever things they mention in that questions, then the things will be easy for in means in application of trigonometry. So that is the things we need to keep our mind. In other word problems means we are framing the mathematical expression, but here from the word to these pictures is very important for us. Okay, so let's see the next question based on that, and we will see what are the things we need to check. Okay, you can see the next question that they mentioned in that textbook also. So that is an important one. Actually, these questions gave in, I think, that sample paper also, this year's sample paper. So see, so what is there in that means they mentioned that is the height of one tower is there. AB is the tower, and the height is, that is the H dimension. So they are saying when the sun is rises and that the person is standing over the 30 degree, when they are looking for 30 degree, that shadow of that up to 40 meters is there. Okay. So now whenever they shifted to this side means, as we know, when we have to looking upwards. So upward means what will happen, that angle opening, this is the arm opening will be the more in that. So when we move to here, this side means that angle will be the more. Understand? So what they are saying, when they reach at the point of this 60C, or the angle they are making with a 60 degree, they are asking what will be the height of that one. Now see these questions here. See, we don't know exactly the base. What is the actual base of that one, because of this unknown variable x. So first we need to know about this thing. But if we know about these things means that will be tough, because h is also unknown for us. If we know this AB, then we can find easily this one by taking AB and DB. But here x is also unknown, h is also unknown. So we need at least two equations to compare that to get the things. So how we are doing in the linear equation in two variables. Okay, we got two unknown is there means we have to get the two equation in that. So by seeing this question, what we are observing, this ABC, this ABC is one of the triangles, and ABD is another triangle is there. Okay, so we can take the help of this one. So let's P by B again, the same thing is there means in triangle, right angle triangle ABC, we can write ABC means tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree we can write h by x, because of this height only we are, this base is only assuming, because we are taking ABC as a triangle. So tan 60 is nothing but root 3, so that we can write h by x. Okay, tan 60 is root 3. You can, if you assume this value means tan 60, if you have the confusion in that means you can write sin 60 by cos 60, cos 60 degree. So sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2, and cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. So if you 2 means 2 by 1 we can get. So it is nothing but root 3 value. See, if you know the value of sin theta, then easily you can get the value of other ratios also. I already explained in that last video. If you want, you can check there. You can go and see those videos. Okay. So now from there, let it be this equation will be the x one equations. Now taking this at ABD as a triangle. In triangle ABD, triangle ABD. Now I'm taking this whole triangle. So here also tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree is something the same h height, same h, and this x. Now this will be the 40 plus x. Okay. Now tan 30 degree is nothing but 1 by root 3 and h by 40 plus x. So see, let's take this equation as equation number 2. Now see, we can compare directly h equals to root of x, this one. But see here, if we take x first, then again we have to keep that x value in that equation and we have to find h. So why not we substitute place of means x from the equation number 1. Now x is nothing but h by root 3 we can write. Keep this equation number, substitute this equation in equation number 2. So keep that value in place of x means 1 by root 3 and this will be how much h, and this is 40 plus x is nothing but h by root 3 we can write that. Okay. So first simplify it, and if you simplify means you get root 3 h, and this will be the 40 root 3 plus h. Okay, root 3 plus h, because if you take LCM here means we can get here root 3 and root 2 will go up, root 3 will go up. So again cross multiplications means what we can get here. So root 3 into root 3, root 3h equals to 40 root 3 plus h. Take h this side means this is a 3h and plus minus h. So 40 root 3. Now 3h minus h is nothing but 2h. So 40 root 3 we can write here. So h equals to 20 root 3, and they mention already is a meter means that will be a meter. So you can do the questions like that. Means why I can't take the value of x here? Why can't I substitute the value of h? Because if I take h means that will get no fraction is there. But still, I took the fraction value because we don't want to find again x and again substitute that value in the h. That will take the longer time. It will. So why can't we do that? Why can't we reduce the steps by doing these steps? Okay. So how you are going to take that steps that is important for you, and for based on that only you'll get the solutions. Okay, easily. So this is the second one in based on the application of trigonometry. And if you need more means you can write on us and comment on our videos already. Students are there doing on that. So and we are planning means which topic will be the problem for the students. We will take those topics and we will discuss that first. Okay. So hopefully we will take the topic according to that only, how you are giving the comments on that and how you are responding by seeing our videos. Okay. So from the application of trigonometry, we can end our videos here on. And if you need more questions on that topics means I already added this. Too many questions are there in that is schoolquiz.com. That the site is it, and if go and sign up there and you get the more question on that. So go and attempt those questions easily. Okay. Thank you everyone. And this much for pandemic is going very cool. They already took the very cool steps. So be patient and keep calm and stay in home only. Don't go out. And this is things we can sure means hope for the best for tomorrow.